everyone, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and I'll show you all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So the first in our box does show our Redmi device. Also I have here the USB Type-C cable and the charger brick, original one with all of the specs here with the QR code. And also let's check what's here in this paper box. The first thing which we can see that is the SIM eject tool, the protective silicone clear case, and also I have here the warranty cards, the safety guide, and the quick start guides. So that's it, there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.